Welcome to all. Today we are going to show you Banarasi collection, our exclusive collection of Banarasi craft. Now we will start with dupattas. We have exclusive dupattas and the range is very low. Let us start. You can see here the first is golden dupatta, beige golden. Okay. It has length of 2.5 meter. It has tassels. Price of the dupatta is only 350 rupees. So it's all over jal. Okay. Next dupatta. This is Rani color, hot pink color dupatta, all over buttas. Very rich looking exclusive dupatta, you can see here. The length is 2.5 meter and it has tassels. Okay, the cost is 350 rupees only. In the market the cost of this dupatta is 900 plus. You can wear it on any plain dress, mostly black or white, to add extra glamour. Yes. Next dupatta is everyone's favorite and auspicious color, yellow color dupatta. You can see here there is a golden jal all over. Perfect for any occasions, special occasion like puja, or in wedding also we use for several work. This is yellow color dupatta. Tassels. The length of the dupatta is 2.5 meter. Very beautiful. Price is 350 rupees only. Now next one is everyone's sober favorite color, which goes on with any outfit. Grey in color. Beautiful jal work. Complete weaving. You can see the border also. The length of the dupatta is 2.5 meter. Wow. Yes. Excellent. Price is 350 rupees only. Wow. Next dupatta is magenta color. See here. This is somewhat a mixture of wine and magenta color. A beautiful big buttas. You can see the leaf. It has tassels. Length is 2.5 meter and the price is only 350 rupees. These dupattas will be available with us throughout the year. You can contact us anytime on 9702138534 or 908236740. This collection is available with us throughout the year. This will never go out of fashion. Price of the dupatta is 350 rupees only. Gorgeous dupatta. Now we'll move on to the saris. We have exclusive collection of Banarasi, Katan Banarasi saris. The fabric is very soft. The sari weight is around 600 grams. You can see here the sari. I'll show you the border. See the border. The border has satin patta, double border, green color sari all over. The weaving is very soft. Very beautiful, rich looking bridal collection. Now I'll show you the pallu. Pallu is rich. See here. This is the pallu. See, the pallu is rich and the blouse piece is in contrast. Very thin and very strong and costly material. The fabric is very costly, very expensive material we can see. See here, the blouse piece is in contrast and this will make you look gorgeous. Extremely beautiful sari, very nice. We'll show you the body one more time. It is densely woven. The buttas are all over the sari. You will not see any empty part in between. Okay, the cost of the sari is 2600 free shipping. Great. Let's move on to the next color. The next color is blue. We'll show you the pallu part first. See the pallu. Here is the pallu and blouse piece. Rich pallu, heavy pallu. The work is dense work, heavy work, pure zari, pure katan sarees. You will not find it at this rate. Katan silk is costing 20,000 plus. This is katan Banarasi on satin fabric. These are long lasting sarees. Okay, we'll show you the body of blue saree now. Sorry, the saree color is red. It is in combination of blue. Wow, I loved the border. See the buttas. We'll show you the buttas and see the border. Wow, upper border and lower border are same. Okay, beautiful motifs. Extremely good looking saree. The cost is 2,600 only. This is available throughout the year. We have many pieces available in these colors. Very much in demand. Okay, we'll show you next color now. Now next color is pink color. This is soft pink color in combination of blue. We'll show you the pallu part. See the buttas first. See, the sari looks all over like this. The bottom border is, this is the bottom border. Okay. And the upper border is thin border. This is the pallu part. Pallu is rich. Blouse piece is in contrast. Cost is 2,600 only. Free shipping. These sarees are available all the time. We have many pieces in this. Next. Weight of the sarees, these are lightweight sarees. The weight of the saree is 600 grams. We have sold these pieces earlier at 3,500 rupees. Okay. Now this is hot pink. Wow, it's gorgeous color. The buttas are very beautiful. See here. Extremely good. And this has double border. Okay, we'll show you the pallu. This saree's pallu is extremely rich and different. Very heavy pallu. And no one can imagine the price of this saree. See, such a gorgeous and rich saree. Contrast pallu and contrast blouse piece. These buttas are all over the saree. This is absolutely rich looking color and combination is also very fantastic. Great. These are exclusive Banarasi collection. This is everyone's favorite peach color. I'll show you the butta. Let's go close. See the buttas. I'll show you this is upper border. I'll show you the lower border also. Lower border is double border. See here. This is the lower border of the saree. Okay. And let's see the pallu. Pallu is rich. Wow. Heavy pallu. And this is the blouse piece. Okay. You would love to have it in your wardrobe for sure. Let's move on to another saree. This is different kind of blue color. Wow. Let me show you the saree. See here. Saree is completely woven. It is not empty anywhere. Some sarees are empty from inside. In contrast with red border, there is a double border you can see here. These are zari woven sari. This is not a thread, pure zari is woven. We'll show you the pallu part now. This is pallu. Wow. And this is blouse piece. Blouse piece has beautiful border on sleeves. Show the blouse piece, please. See here. See the blouse piece border. Yes. Very rich looking. And if you team it up with your designer blouse, this will add extra value. This will look very, very costly. Yes, next. Okay, great. The cost is 2,600, free shipping. This is limited offer. Later on the price are going to increase. Okay, now we have red color collection, red sari. See, the buttas are very beautiful, and this is the border of the sari. See here. Yes. Let's see the pallu. This is pallu of the sari with a blouse piece, contrast blouse piece. This has double border. Upper and lower border are same. Price is 2,600. Blouse piece is 1 meter. Sari length is 6.3. Very soft sari. The weight of the sari is 600 grams. Generally, Banarasi saris are heavy in weight. These are made on fine katan fabric, katan based on satin. Okay, very beautiful. This is gold color, completely woven with gold zari. This is called Alfi work. It's perfect party wear sari. The border, the blouse piece is plain with contrast border. Okay, yes, let's move. Yeah, that's done. This is this is the only piece left. We have already sold many pieces in this color. Here, this is the pallu part. You can see the pallu. Yes, pallu is short pallu, and sari is completely woven. Yes, full work, jal work. Yes, next. Now we will show you the trademark Banarasi sari, everyone's favorite right now, currently very much in trend, big butta saris. You might have seen these saris in Bollywood. Lot of actresses are wearing on their weddings. See the border. This is little heavy because completely zari woven. You can see here. Yes, see the border. Khaddi border type. Rich zari is used. See, both ends has same border, and throughout the sari you can see these buttas. After wearing this sari, it makes you look like a queen. Very rich collection. This is the rich pallu. We'll show you pallu part. Extremely gorgeous. See the pallu. We'll show you the blouse piece. Border. Blouse piece is plain in contrast with same border. Absolutely stunning. Now we have many colors available in this pattern. Compared to other saris, the cost of this sari is little high. It is costing 2,900, free shipping. These saris are not available in the shops right now. Okay, we'll make you available, and the cost is reasonable. We are getting these directly from bunkers of Varanasi. We are getting it for less price, and we are selling it for less price. Price of this Banarasi sari is 2,900, free shipping. See the blouse border. Wow. Yes. Now we'll show you one more new. See, have a look at the sari once again. See here. Wow. Okay. if you want to stock it up for upcoming wedding or any special occasion, you must book these sarees. This is called Paisa Vasool product. If you want colors, will we get colors for you? We get purple in this wine shade. So yes, we'll show you final piece now. Thank you. We'll show you final piece in this. Please like and subscribe the video. Please like our collection and subscribe for it. You may also share. Thank you. Now we'll show you one more costly collection, little bit heavy range, purple in color. Now this is heavily worked. The fabric is heavy kattan fabric. Quality is extremely good, and the cost of the saree is 3,500 free shipping. Only one piece is there. Yes, see here, this is wine shade, 3,500. Since the cost is high compared to other products, the weight of the saree is also high because heavy quality, high quality zari is used. And जैसे इसका प्राइस है वैसे उसकी क्वालिटी भी है. Yes, it's like costly jewels. Yes, great. So that's it guys. Today we have shown you around 7 to 8 dupattas. This is heavy pallu and blouse piece is in contrast. Okay, today we have shown you 7 to 8 dupattas. Dupattas are available with us throughout the year. This saree collection is also available with us anytime. Okay, price may differ slightly, but they will make you this available. So contact us on given numbers and do like and share our video, and also subscribe for new updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your precious time, and do take care of yourself.